In this video, I'll show you how to set up interactive session naming and also interactive file naming. Interactive file and session naming are handy features because they allow you to give unique names to each form that's sent to an nForm tablet. Also, it allows you to uniquely name each file that's saved by nForm. So let's get into it and take a look on how to set that up. First thing you do is click on Settings. Then you click on Prompted Session Naming on the General tab. Then click on the File Naming tab. Now this is where you set up your interactive session naming and indexing. So the first thing you notice, there's a date and timestamp. Now, a date and timestamp is always added to the session and saved file names, and there's a couple different formats you can choose from there. The next thing we could do is we can add the name of the original file that was sent to the nForm tablet to the saved file name. Next, we can add a tablet name to the session. We can also add a fixed prefix to the session and file name. So in this case, we're just adding station number 1. This is handy if you've got multiple workstations that are sending documents to tablets and you want to identify which workstation sent the tablet. And then also, and this is important, you can add additional keywords to the file name, and these are the index values we're talking about. You can select between 1 and 3 keywords, and you can enter the prompts in the boxes next to the keyword 1, 2, and 3. Now these prompts are displayed on the screen after the form is sent to the tablet. Now also you can change the separator in the file name. Now this character right here can be any Windows character that's valid for file naming. So after you set that up, click on OK. Now next we're just going to choose a form from the list here. We'll choose authorization for release. We'll click and send to the tablet, and you can see how we're prompted to enter the index values. So we're going to enter the patient name, patient number, date of birth, and then we'll click OK. Now the form is sent to the tablet. I'll click on I'm ready to start signing the form. I'll enter the patient's name, the date of birth, social security number, and then I'll just scroll down to the bottom of the form, we'll sign it, and click Submit. Now, when the form is saved, you can see how those values that we entered are embedded into the file name. If you're using the nForm Twain driver, the session naming follows through into the Twain driver. So if we click on Acquire and look at the way the sessions are named inside the Amber Twain driver, you'll notice here they're named exactly like the way the file was that we saved. So that's a quick overview of interactive session naming and indexing.